Hello, this is Algebra 1/2, Lesson 1. We're just going to go through these practice problems here that have to do with place value. Letter A says in this number 152,068, what is the value of the 2? So I put a comma in here because there wasn't a comma in the number originally. I'm going to use commas whenever I can to help. If a comma's not in it, if a number doesn't have commas, I'm going to enter them in to help make the number easier to read. So the value of this 2 means how much is this 2 worth? And this 2 is worth 2,000 because there's a 2 in the thousands place. Okay, so for letter A is 2,000. Letter B and C have to do with going from expanded notation to standard notation, and then vice versa, going from taking standard notation and putting in an expanded notation, going between those two forms. So letter B says to write this in standard notation. So if I have 6 times 1,000, that means I have 6 thousands, 4 tens, 3 ones. I don't have any hundreds, so I'm just going to leave a 0 in that place. So my answer is 6,043. Letter C, I have 8 10,000s. So, 8 times 10,000, 5 thousands, 5 times 1,000, no hundreds, 2 tens, 0 ones. Okay, so 8 times 10,000 plus 5 times 1,000 plus 2 times 10. Expanded notation just means I'm expanding it out into each place value. For letter D, you just have to read the words and write the number using digits. Key thing is I'm using commas to separate here. So I have 10,205,041,500. Okay. Letter E says use words to write this number. First thing I did is I inserted my commas to make it easier to read. And then I have 36,025,103. Key mistake here I see sometimes students will say 103. As soon as I say and, I'm indicating a decimal. Okay, this is just 103. No and in there unless it's a decimal. Those are the practice problems from Algebra 1/2, Lesson 1.